Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the screensaver on the ONYX Boox Go 6. So if you want to change the screensaver, the first thing that we're going to do is go to the Apps tab. There we're going to find the Screensaver app, so let's tap on it. And this is where you can change your screensaver. So you have a few options. For example, you can do like this segment clock with the date and the time. You can do the calendar, which shows you the date like as a calendar. And you can do this image, so you can change it to other images. Or you can do like a personalized note like this. So just select the one that you want. And then once you're done, you can just exit out. And now if we turn it off, like enter it into rest mode, as you can see, it's now changed to the image that I've selected. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.